Hello, in this video I speak for the bees. And this is going to talk a little bit about how to attract bees to your yard. And so I'm going with the renewable agriculture, permaculture type backyard. And I have these lantana bushes. Obviously these don't produce a bunch of fruit. I have them to attract pollinators and because I love the beautiful flowers. And as you can see here, I have tons. Whole bunch of little hoverflies over here. They're a type of solitary pollinator. And I have a bunch of mason flies hovering around. I'm trying to get a good shot here. You can kind of see them zipping around, but it's hard to catch them on my camera. It's so bright out. I think over here you can see a few zipping by. Trying to get one to land. A few zipping by over here. There's about a half dozen, maybe more, zipping around right here. Combination of different types. Some carpenter bees and mason flies, or mason bees, mason wasps, hoverflies, lots of solitary bees. And solitary bees are really good pollinators, and they actually love eating pollen. If you watch them, you can actually see them just gobbling down pollen. So they're really good at pollinating. All right, you can see this nice close-up I got of this solitary wasp. He might even be looking for insects to eat. Nice close-up. I'm going to slow it down here and you're going to see him fly off. You can see his little, almost see his wings flapping, not quite though. But anyway, these lantana bushes are gorgeous. I've talked about these before and how to prune them and stuff, and I actually just pruned, so there's some pieces of branches laying around. You can see down here on the ground I dropped some. Just trying to keep them from getting out of control. But anyway, these solitary bees love them. I'm not sure if I have solitary bees probably nesting underneath these. I have a few piles of trimmings from these that they might try to nest in. But anyway, I have lots of pollinators in my yard now. So I'm super excited about that. It's always nice to have tons of bees. Oh, here's a few more right there. I just put a pond liner in a few days ago, so I'm still working on getting all my stones set up and my pump arranged. Just finished working on my filter, so it's going to be flowing a lot more. Anyway, lots more bees. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.